How to reset tempo in Djay. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely reset it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the top, you can see this yellow like button. Simply tap on this button, and here on the bottom, tap on settings. So now we are in this settings interface. This is the place we can make different customization and changes. Now, simply select general. So this is the place you'll be able to find and reset tempo. Here on the second option, there is reset EQ, FX and tempo. Now simply tap and again tap on it. So after doing that, you'll be able to completely reset it. So whenever you make a different type of tempo, later after completing it, it will automatically reset and get it to its original form. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.